Hi, good day. Esther from Creative Fairy Designs. Thank you very much for joining me today. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to make these really quick and really easy belly bands. I have them laid out here, and this is how I've used my belly band. This is the autumn journal. I've attached the belly band here, and I've added one of the journal cards that we made in our earlier episode. Put it in. It fits really nice, neat, and snug. So stay with me and let's get started. And these will be the printables that we are using today to make our belly bands. It's really nice floral images, and this one has like lace trimming to the edge and borders, etc. So firstly, I'm going to cut them out. So now we're just going to cut around the edges. So for these two images, we're going to place it against a pink cardstock and use a Doily Punch to get a nice fancy edge. And this is my Doily Punch, and when I'm using my Doily Punch, I face it upside down. This way I can see where my holes are going. So I can place it right next to each other so I get a nice clean Doily Punch edge. So just continue. We're going to make a Doily Punch edge straight around and then stick this out. And this is how it would look like after it's been punched. So we're just going to stick this in the center and cut off the excess of the Doily Punch. Of course, as an optional step, you can distress around here. I'm not going to distress mine because I do like how it looks, the pink against the pink. And this is how it would look like. We will embellish it a little bit later on, and I'm going to do the same for this one. So for this first one, we're just going to add a bow. So over here I have a bow that I made with twine because I want to keep it looking organic, and there is nothing more organic looking than twine. So I'm going to apply a bit of Fabitac glue and attach it right on the corner. And for this one, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to attach a bow, and here I have a pink bow to give it that aesthetic look. Attach it with some Fabitac. Just use whatever type of fabric or lace or twine or ribbon you have. Just make a cute little bow. Put this one in the center. And for this one, I'm going to add 2 pieces of lace. just to the side, just like that. Again, use a Fabi tack. Because it's fabric, and apply it right to the edge. And there we go. Lace just adds that elegance to anything that you add. So for this one, as you can see, it's a pretty busy design. So I'm just going to add 2 tiny embellishments, which is 2 tiny foam stickers just to the end. And that's it. Don't need to add anything else. And for this one, I'm just going to add a piece of trimming, purple, to match with it. And I'm just going to add 1 strip right to the edge, just to give it that wow factor. Of course, these can be embellished further if you wish, but I like to keep it like this. The designs are pretty, the embellishments are simple, and this gives that really, really nice effect. And now let me show you how we will be using our belly bands. So this is the autumn journal. We could just attach the belly band. You could put it slanted this way, or you could put it upright this way. I'm going to put mine upright. And then to my belly band, I'm just going to add a journal card. This is a journal card we made in one of our earlier episodes. Just like this. And it holds it really, really nicely. And this is it for our quick, short tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.